It's updated about 2 p.m. Really coming down hard. Still coming down hot and heavy about after 5 o'clock. As you can see, we're losing a lot of branches around here. Constantly cracking and falling somewhere around here. Probably over 10 inches of snow so far. Now this is the aftermath of the Great Nor'easter. You can see the huge pile of debris that has fallen out of the woods. What's left of the pine tree. Huge pile. And the Rose of Sharon still leaning after I kicked all of the snow off of these several times yesterday. The maples, everything. I beat the snow out of them probably every half an hour for several hours yesterday. We got major limbs down here from the giant maple trees next door. And I think we fared better than many others by the looks of it. As you can see, we got well over a foot of snow. Some small branches down in the driveway. Some friends of the neighbors couldn't make it up, parked their car at the end of the driveway, and then a branch fell right behind it. Tons and tons of trees and branches down all over. Not exactly safe being out there. Very deep. This is the neighbor's driveway.